Hey everyone, this is Caspi, co-maker of CNotify, and I'm going to show you in less than 5 minutes how to use the platform. I will connect the SDK to my Flutter app and schedule some notifications. We also have SDKs for iOS and Android, and we will be adding more soon. We can achieve this by following the documentation as well, but I think it's fun. I can show you the end-to-end. So the first thing we want to do is to go to your code and do flutter pub add flutter underscore CNotify underscore SDK. And after doing so, we can go ahead in wherever we have our run app method, and before it, we want to add an unawaited method that does CNotify SDK.init, and we want to also give it a testing parameter with debug mode value, that this will allow us to test while debugging the notifications in our real device, physical device, while not sending it to people that already has the app or that will have it in the future. So after doing this and saving this file, we'll go to the build.gradle file that is under our app Android app directory, and we want to add the following line to it, that you can find it in the documentation. This line is used to access the repository of Android. After doing that, we will also want to create a new folder assets in our main directory of Android app. And in that folder, we want to copy paste the Google Services JSON we already have in our project. We also want to make sure in our iOS device under the runner directory, we have our Google Services /info.list file in order to have everything running in order. After doing that, we can go ahead and run our app. While it runs, we can go ahead and enter our Firebase project, go to the project settings, go to service accounts, and here we want to generate a new private key. Once we generated the private key, we'll find it at our download folder. So we can go ahead and sign up to CNotify platform. So my name is Gaspi. Let's say I'm Gaspi at CNotify.me. Gaspi, actually this is my full name. And just create some random password. You need to give it, of course. After doing this, you will find how to connect a new project. This is my example project, so let's call it example project. And I want to specify that I will be using the environment for this connected project. So we will be able to remember in the future that this was done under the development environment. We can go ahead and drag and drop the file we just downloaded and hit connect project. Once the project is connected, we can go ahead and create a new notification where you can name it whatever you want, but let's say we want to engage people to use the app. So we would create a complying title, for example, hey, use my app, please. I love it when people uses my apps. And we can go ahead and send a test notification that will arrive to my phone. In that phone, we were testing because we are running the app in that phone. So once we have tested our notification, we can go ahead and create this notification. Once it's created, we can go ahead to the calendar and create a new event. Let's say I want to start on Saturday, and on our example project, we want this event to be called just for us to be able to identify it. Recurring engagement notification. I'm not sure if I spelled that correctly, but anyway. And I can say that I want more people to use my app. So it will be starting on October 5th, as I said before, and I want it to run at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And I also want to repeat it, let's say, after, every 3 days, and I want it only to repeat after 5 times. So if we go ahead and create this event, we will see that now our recurring engagement notification is created every 3 days in our calendar. We could also edit this notification in any way we want, but anyway, That's it for this time. You could obviously you could create as many events as you want, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Woohoo!